Okay, first I want to show you the digital tire inflator is our GTI 39. This is the shape. It's very simple and very small. It's very easy to carry. And here is the check here in storage and the power cable. And on the back, there will have the specification that tire inflator and power and the voltage and the light length is 3 meters. Okay, and here is the power button. It's the power button and the light button. They have the light on the top and the LCD display and three buttons to control the pressure, to increase and decrease. Okay, next I will show you to inflate some things that will need to inflate the air. Let's put the power cable out. It is very good collect here. Collect in this storage. Okay. I want to use this product to inflate the ballroom. First, we need to connect for the power. And when you connect to the power, the LCD display will light. Yeah. When you use this product to inflate your car tire, you could preset the pressure here. There have 4 units, like kilogram, PSI, like kilogram, PSI, and bar, and kPa. They have 4 units. Okay, and there will have 3 different nozzles there, and one first. This product will have the first. And I will use this one to inflate the ballroom. Just to show you our product work and to inflate the ballroom, that it didn't work. Okay. Okay. This is my first product to show you the inflation.